Hydroquinone is an excellent treatment for hyperpigmentation diseases, and we do use it frequently and with excellent results at Face Doctor. But there are a few really key things to remember when using it. Please only ever use it in conjunction with a doctor and skin expert who you are seeing regularly and who are well versed in the use of hydroquinone. Stick to 4%, never be tempted to buy it online from a source that you're unfamiliar with or at higher percentages. It's important never to stop hydroquinone abruptly, as you can get rebound pigmentation in the skin. We also recommend not staying on hydroquinone for more than 5 months. And it's really important within that time that you're speaking to your doctor monthly, and when it comes to the end of your treatment, we wean slowly over the course of 4 to 8 weeks. Your doctor or skin expert will give you a tailored plan to wean on and wean off the hydroquinone safely.